Welcome to all students. Today I am going to deliver Customer Relationship Management Unit 1 CRM Concepts. CRM is defined as integrated system of web-enabled software tools and database accomplishing a variety of customer-focused business process that supports the three phases of relationship between a business and its customer. So generally the CRM have the three phases of relationship with customer. What are the phases? Number one is a customer acquisition. So under this customer acquisition, differentiate programs attributes. Number two, signaling marketing efforts. And then customer engagement. Under customer engagement, customer segment will be there. Membership tier upgrades is there. Number three, customer retention. Under this, crafting program value, inspiring switching costs. These are all the things will be coming under the relationship between a business and its customer. CRM evolution. In 1960, mass marketing. So first of all, we should know what is mass marketing. So mass marketing, it is a strategy in which a firm decides to ignore market segment difference and appeal the whole market with one offer or one strategy which supports the idea of broadcasting a message that will reach to the target member of target that will reach the largest number of people possible. Next, 1970, segmentation. Every organization will go for dividing the customers into a smaller group based on characteristics such as age, income, personality trait behavior can be used to optimistic products and advertising to a different customers. In 1960, mass customization. It refers to the context of internationally marketing to a country tailored product strategy which focuses on cross-border difference in the needs of the customer and wants of the customer, appropriately changing the products in order for them to match local market considerations. Either it may be a product or it may be a service. And then supply exceeds demands, seller has a little pricing power. Suppose for example, if supply is more than the demand, ultimately seller will have the price changes based on MRP. Only protection available to supplier of goods and services was in their relationship with the customer. These are all the things will be comes under the CRM evolution. Next, objectives. Creating value for the customers. The CRM, the main objective is creating value for the customer. Number two, creating value company over the long term. Every business, they want to maintain the relationship for a long term. Organization to gain competitive advantage. Increase in customer service. Increase efficiency. Lowering market cost. Aiding the department. These are all the objectives of CRM. So, based on this visual, service, orders, analysis, marketing, strategy, sales, support. Types of CRM. Number one, operational CRM. Number two, analytical CRM. Number three, collaboration CRM. Let's see. Operational CRM, full of operations, front end and back end, supply chain, logistics, customer service and support. So these are all the things will be coming under the operational CRM. Number 2, analytical, business unit directors, finance, marketing, sales. These are all the factors comes under the analytical CRM. Collaborative CRM, it will be a interrelationship with the operational with the analytical. So, and this marketing, product development, sales, supply chain, customer service and support. Operational CRM. Operational CRM automates and improves customer facing and customer supporting business process. Customer software application enable the marketing, selling and service functions to be automated and integrated. N number of softwares are there. Depends on the organization, depends on the retail stores, depends on their business. The software should be customized. For example, Microsoft, PeopleSoft, OracleSoft, these are all the software organization producing a customized CRM support to the people, those who are need of CRM service. So number 1, marketing automation. Number 2, Salesforce automation. Number 3, service automation. So here the marketing automation is nothing but all about using software to automate marketing activities. Marketing departments automate repetitive tasks such as email, marketing, social media posting and even ads campaign also. For example, the social media platforms are there. The popular social media platforms, Facebooks, Twitter, then Google Plus, blog, then Google Plus, blog, and then Pinterest, Instagram. So Instagram is more attractive than the Pinterest because the content, the message, everything time to time we are keep on updating it also. It will reach customers very frequently also. So that is the only benefit in Instagram. If it is go for the Facebook, like pages, hit pages, shared. If it is go for a Twitter, hashtag, it's a trending. These are all the examples of social media. And then Salesforce automation. Before going to the Salesforce automation, let's see what are the things will be coming under the automations. Service automation, design a product, significant reducing entirely. And then under this Salesforce automation, account management, lead management, opportunity management, pipeline management, contact management, quotation and proposal generations, product configurations. So these are all the tasks performed under the marketing automation with the use of software. Number 2, Salesforce automation. Under this Salesforce automation, everything I discussed before, using software to automate business task of sales, including order processing, contact management, information sharing, inventory management, order tracking, sales forecast analysis, employee performance and evaluation. The third one is under the service automation that designates a process of significant reducing or entirely eliminating human factor when assisting the client. So, and this one, beauty service is very speed. Next, analytical CRM. Analytical CRM is concerned with capturing, storing, extracting, integrating, processing, interpreting, distributing, using and reporting customer related data to enhance. What are all the things will be coming under the customer related data? Related to sales data, related to financial data in terms of credit purchase or in terms of cash purchase, marketing data regarding the products and services data. So in this analytical CRM, they always capturing data. What are the areas they will be capturing? That is customer touch point. Under this customer touch point, some sources are there. Based on the sources, what are the sources? Number one, event management, marketing, media, phone, billing, invoice, office, store, referral social groups, staffs and sales, personnel, social group, internet social media, product catalog, product delivery, then storefront, website, social media affiliates, mobile app, direct market, contact center. These are all the customer touch points. The third one is collaborative CRM. It is used to describe the strategic and tactical alignment of normally separate enterprises in the supply chain for more profitable identification, attraction, retention and development of customers. Thank you.